Hello, food lovers. In this episode, I am making sweet potato croquettes. They're a little bit fiddly, but they're a nice way to use up leftover sweet potato, or if you want to do like I am, I'm making them fresh. So in the recipe, it calls for ricing the sweet potato. And I was kind of curious to see what ricers looked like back when this book was published in 1897. And it turns out, as you see from the image, they look exactly the same as they do today. I've been ricing my regular potatoes instead of mashing them for about 12 years now. And I like the fluffy texture, yet it's still very silky, and you don't have to worry about it becoming gummy from overbeating. So once the potatoes are simmered and soft, they go through the ricer, and I put a bit of butter in the bottom of the bowl, and I'll just let the heat from the potatoes melt it, because the mixture really needs to be room temperature or cooler to make shaping easier. Then I season it and add the egg, or in this case I'm using an egg white left over from another recipe. And just mix it together and get that butter incorporated.